Today, I will show you how to prepare delicious vegetable meatballs, crispy and golden, perfect for any occasion. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, 1 large carrot, 1 medium onion, 2 garlic cloves, 150 grams of fresh or frozen spinach, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 50 grams of grated cheese, whether it be Parmesan or Pecorino, depending on your taste, 2 eggs, salt and pepper, chopped parsley, optional, extra virgin olive oil for cooking. Start by washing and cutting the zucchinis and carrot into small pieces and chopping the onion and garlic. In a pan with a drizzle of oil, sauté the onion and garlic until they become translucent. Add the zucchinis and carrots to the pan and cook until they soften. Then add the spinach and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until wilted. Transfer the cooked vegetables to a large bowl and let them cool for a few minutes. Add the breadcrumbs, grated cheese, eggs, salt, pepper, and chopped parsley if used. Mix well until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. Take spoonsful of the mixture and form balls with your hands. If the mixture is too wet, you can add more breadcrumbs to absorb the moisture. In a pan, heat some olive oil and cook the meatballs until they are golden on all sides. The vegetable meatballs can be served hot or at room temperature as an appetizer, main course, or side dish. Enjoy your meal. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Vegetable meatballs are also a great way to get kids to eat vegetables or to use up leftover vegetables in the fridge. Additionally, according to Italian tradition, you can enhance the flavor by adding herbs such as basil or rosemary to the mixture to give it an extra touch.